Hi friends, welcome to dhiksoochi. Stock market will see more downside? Of course, the experts are saying the same thing. Let us see what happened today for our stocks. Also, what are the stocks tomorrow? Along with this, today our financial terminology is present value denoted by PV. Now, if you see these are the companies which have given the profit. Also, we'll see what happened to the further other stocks what we have selected for the day to trade. If you see Nifty and Bank Nifty, see both have opened with gap down, slowly picked up and then again started falling down. If you see the Nifty where it has opened at the same price, almost at the same points, it closed. So, Nifty opened at 17,201 and taken support around 17,108. Faced resistance at 17,348. Finally closed at 17,206. So, it lost by 70 points. This is the fourth straight day the Nifty is losing points in the market. Tomorrow, the same support levels may act as support levels, also the resistances may act as resistance. In addition to the R1, the R2 may be 17,412. Whereas Bank Nifty opened at 37,433, taken support at 37,232. Faced resistance at 38,026, finally closed at 37,685. By the end of the day, at the time of closing, it is with plus 86 points. So, tomorrow the same levels may act as support and this is the resistance, and R2 may be 38,415. So, this is what about Nifty and Bank Nifty, friends. Now, let us see why we are expecting further 8 to 10% fall in the stock market. Experts are saying that the market's optimism for revival in capital expenditure in the country, because the equity strategy said that 60% of the overall government capital comes from the states whose finances are sticky wicket. Also, the RBI of India's Monetary Policy Committee also has expressed optimism for revival in capital expenditure in the country. So, our markets are expected to see more 8 to 10% more on downside. Now, let us see the Indian indices. BSE Sensex also lost by 149 points. IT and Nifty Auto also have lost their points. Even if you see the global indices, except the Straits Times, the remaining indexes all have seen the downfall today. If you see the commodities, crude oil, natural gas and aluminium have gained their prices. Gold and silver lost their points. Also the currencies, US dollar, euros and UK pound and Australia have seen little appreciation in the rupee, whereas Japanese yen and Singapore, towards this the rupee has little depreciated. There is no much variation, it is just in 0.1. If you see the today's intraday stocks, there are 5 companies which have been suggested, out of which Cholamandalam Investment Finance Limited, Marico and Gujarat Gas have given the profits today. Whereas Tata Consumer Products Limited opened with gap down and it was whole day almost it was in a downtrend. Around 2 o'clock 45 minutes it hit our entry level. So of course we don't take this trade whichever the stocks hit our entry prices after 12 o'clock. Is it? Yes, that is what we used to discuss in every video. Also, the Laurus Labs, the high of the day itself 552.75. So it did not give us an opportunity to trade with because our entry price was 554. So here also we got 100% strike rate. Now if you see the stocks for tomorrow, Federal Bank Limited, Axis Bank and ICICI Bank all are banking industry. But if banking index or bank nifty is in a positive trend, definitely all the three are going to give us a profit. Of course, Federal Bank Limited depends on PSU index, whereas Axis Bank and ICICI depends on general banking index. So take entry for Federal Bank at 100, your target is on 100.75 or even 101. Axis Bank 791 is an entry price, 796 is the target. ICICI Bank 756 is the entry and 762 is the target. Powergrid Corporation Limited 198.5 is your entry, 200 is the target. Torrent Pharmaceuticals Limited 2660 is your entry and 2687 is the target for the day. Now let us discuss the terminology for the day. As I told you in the previous videos, we are going to take one financial term in every video so that it will be revision for the people who know about this terminology. Also, it is a learning for the new listeners. Now, the terminology is present value, which is denoted by PV. So, what is this present value? In the sense, as we know, every day the rupee value is changing. So, how it is changing? Because of the inflation. Let us assume it is every day changing, means discounting at the rate of 10%. Then the rupee value will become 90 paisa in tomorrow's period. That is what the present value is. The other way what we can learn is, example, after 1 year I want to have 10 lakh of rupee in my hand. So how much I need to invest today? What I do? I'll apply the formula, then calculate how much to be invested today, at what rate I can invest so that I can get this 10 lakh of rupee. As per the definition, the present value is the current value of future sum of money given at a specified rate of return. The specified rate of return is generally denoted by R. If you see the formula, PV is equal to FV into 1 by R, 1 plus R whole power n. So, as per our example, future value is 10 lakhs. So, let us calculate and let us know what is the present value of this 10 lakh. So, present value is equal to future value of 10 lakhs into 1 divided by 1 plus R. The rate of interest is 10 rupees, let us assume. 10% let us assume. Then we are expecting this 10 lakh after 1 year. So I am taking the power as 1. So the present value now it will become 10 lakhs divided by 1.1. This is going to give me the 99 lakhs 900 roughly. 9 lakhs 99,900 nearly. This is what the present value. Even if you want to see detailed explanation of this NPV, already a video has been posted in the Dhiksoochi channel. I also provide the link for it in the description box so that you can learn once again through that video in detail. So this is how we are going to calculate. If it is for 2 years, you are making this power as 2. If it is for 3 years, you are making this as power as 3. Likewise, you can understand how much you need to invest now. It means that if you invest 9,99,900 rupees at the rate of 10%, then after 1 year, it is going to give you 10 lakh of rupee. This is what the summary of it. So this is what friends for today. Please do subscribe. Also post your comments in the comment box so that we can discuss many financial terminology, also the investment alternatives. Let us meet again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye friends.